I'm not a tech millionaire and I'm not here to sell a course 50,000 taka on AI. I'm just here who got tired of seeing my friends, brilliant people with university degrees, sitting at home jobless while the internet is overflowing with the opportunity. Few days ago, I stumbled across an online post that made me think. It said, in the age of AI, how can someone be still unemployed? The truth is, fresher and job seeker social media feeds are completely full of irrelevant things. Politics, meme, comedy, influencer drama. We consume so much noise that we don't even have the room to see the opportunities. 3 years ago, my feed exactly looked like that. I was consuming garbage so that my skills were completely stagnant. But I made a decision. I forcefully changed the algorithm. And suddenly, my phone started to teaching me the things that actually relevant to my personal goal and personal development. I am making this video because I am the proof that you don't even need a expensive training center. If you can train your feed, you can train your brain too. Here is exactly how I did it and you can do it too. If you are sitting at home jobless or without a skill, I'm not blaming the country or economy. I'm here to blame your phone. A lots of fresh graduate and job seeker tell me, bro, I don't have any skill and even I don't know where to learn. But the truth is, you spend 4 to 5 hours a day in a digital classroom. Your classroom teaching you political drama, influencer gossip, and brain-rotting memes. You don't lack the capacity to learn. You just train your brain to a professional consumer instead of a skill creator. Today, I'm going to tell you how to turn your Facebook, Instagram, YouTube into a personalized university. We are going to train your algorithm to teach you the highest paying skill of any era. Before you can learn, you have to unlearn. The algorithm is a mirror. If you feed it with junk, it will show you junk. You need to forcefully break the loop today. The 3-second rule. When a distraction video pops up, do not look for it more than 3 seconds. Scroll past it instantly. Better yet, hit the 3 dots and click on not interested. Go into your YouTube setting and clean all your watch. This completely panicked the algorithm. It forced the system to ask, who is the person right now? The dedicated account. If you don't discipline enough to fix your old one, create a brand new Gmail account right now. Log into YouTube with this brand new Gmail. This is your scared space. No music, no funny clips, no sports. This is only for your future skills. Now, how do you learn a skill even if you don't know what skill you want? You use the algorithm to test the water. Go to search bar and type these 3 broad keywords. Number 1. High-paying digital skills for beginner. Number 2. How to use AI to automate daily tasks. Number 3. No-code development, video editing, digital marketing, copywriting skills. Watch 2 or 3 videos completely. Do not skip. Like them and look at the comment section. What happened next is magic. Within 12 hours, the engineers team worth billions of dollars will start to work for you. It will analyze your interest and serve you micro lesson, step-by-step tutorials, and industry case studies directly onto your homepage. You don't have to look for curriculum. The curriculum will find you. Let's be honest. No one wants to sit and watch 4-hour coding or design videos every day. It feels like homework and you get bored. This is where your short-form content becomes your secret weapon. Follow creators on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts who specialize in micro-learning. People who will show you one Excel trick in 30 seconds. People who explain one AI prompt structure in 45 seconds. People who break down the marketing psychology concept in 1 minute. When your shorts and reels feed are flooded with days, you are learning subconsciously. While you are lying on bed, you consume 20 shorts in a day and suddenly you realize you know professional 20 hacks by the end of the week. You become skilled without realizing you are starting. Here is the ultimate trap, the tutorial hell. This is when you watch 50 videos regarding video editing or coding, but even you don't open the software. Your trained feed will give you knowledge, but you have to give it action. When your feed shows you a cool trick using ChatGPT or any specific design technique on Photoshop, pause the video, open your laptop or another tab on your phone and copy it just once. Once you copy it, you don't just have an algorithm feed, you have a portfolio, you have a skill, you can sell to a client or talk in an interview. You have some of all human knowledge right sitting in your pocket, completely free. The only difference you and a doer, how you train your feed algorithm. One train it to entertain them to sleep and the other train it to wake them up for the opportunity. Fix your feed, train your algorithm like wild beast to serve your career. If you are ready to reset your digital environment today, comment below with the one skill you want your feed start teaching you today. Be happy, be curious, keep shining, keep learning. Best of luck.